Wednesday morning. Let me set up my thing here. Let's see if this works. Whoops, that did not work. Well, there we go. Well, there. All right, guys, we are live. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, everybody. This is our. Wait, hold on. This is a little wonky. How do I fix this? Is this okay? Does this look okay, guys?
What are we supposed to see, Avi? Ourselves? Or
Yeah. It seems fine. It seems fine.
Your heart rate is a little up. So
it's because I'm doing live live edits here. My heart rate's up. I love that. Okay, cool. I think this works. All right. Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Let's jump into stand up. Who would like to lead us this beautiful morning? Oops.
I'm happy to lead.
Let's do it, Pablo. Let's do it.
Good morning, team, and happy Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024. Although some people may be much later or the next day because we have a fully remote team. Let's allocate between 2 to 4 minutes for stand-up updates, as in what you did yesterday or previously, what are you working on today, and if you have any blockers. If you have a demo, please let us know, and then after everyone runs through stand-up, we can then lean in and enjoy from your demo. And so we're going to just popcorn it. First person is Madi.
All right. Happy Wednesday, team. So, yesterday, Mohawk and I worked on the PYD Walker and make it working for all the platforms. So now it can work on dev, test, and prod, but we have not merged it to test yet. So that's one thing. And I onboarded Harris, our new engineer on the front end. And yep, the next thing is currently I am working on integrating the GCP models that Catalin put for us. I'm trying to integrate that because Alp will need it. So I'm gonna unblock him. And then I will be working on the Langsmith issue that we have. So that's from my side. And I will popcorn to Mohawk.
Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. So, first of all, I'm really grateful for this sunny morning. So, as Marty said, we were working on PYG Walker. We ran into one issue on the test, but yeah, we sorted out and it's perfectly running. It's perfectly fine on development. So, you may guys go and check. So, I was kind of excited for that. Yeah, and now it's live. So, yeah. So later, after that, Subodh asked me to search for any library for displaying causal graph. So I found one library and just doing some R&D to implement it. So yeah, I'm up to that. So I'll be doing that today. So and I'll be like, yeah, I'm popcorning it to Pablo.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mohawk. All right. So really, really busy week. We have a lot of growth hacks and projects that we have, including a meeting later on this week with bsci.io, a partnership that we're starting. And actually, that program will commence at the beginning of next month. Because of that, we are really fine tuning our onboarding. So we're creating assets as we speak, as well as implementing some of those assets in the app as well. So more details on that to come. I've been having literally not just a demo, but multiple demos every single day now. And the pipeline is getting ever stronger, which is exciting. That's what we want to hear. Yesterday, I had two meetings. I had a meeting with um, the biggest accelerator in Puerto Rico. Showed a lot of buying signal. They definitely are capitalized, and there's a great need for them that they want to take advantage of. They are also in the hunt to hopefully close before their competitor, who's another target of ours. And so hopefully we can close them sooner rather than later. They want to also implement an affiliate program. The other one, the other demo that I had was with Ray. He is the Director of Research Services at the University of California, Riverside campus, which also is tied to the University of California system, college system, or university system, and learned a lot about their process and next steps. He was literally like impressed with the platform and the many use cases and capabilities from it. He is going to be sharing this with the head that manages the tech stack of the university. And hopefully we'll get an input by them in the next 2 weeks. So that's it for yesterday. Today we have two demos. We also scheduled yet another demo from Cisco IT, their design team, which is a big home run. We're getting a lot of attention from Fortune 50 companies. I'll pause there. Go ahead, Sarah.
This week I've been helping with hiring. So I've been interviewing. I interviewed two people. One is a marketing lead and one is a social media intern, and I have two more interviews, or three. And yeah, I've just been going into the same meetings as Avi and the demos that I can make with Pablo. I will popcorn Suhani.
Hi everyone. I'm really glad to be back today after my exam leave. I'm working on generating beta values for calculating Spearman R for human-to-human replications. I'm using the Hein-Mueller survey, and right before I went on my leave, I had a discussion with Subodh, and I'm currently working on the updates that he had suggested to make in my code. So I've been working on that. I'd like to popcorn it to Tatvik.
Hello everyone. So my updates are concerning the visualizations, so I will show them instead of just talking. I have learned a new trick recently. If you look into the Vega graphs, you see the label is always put like in the middle. In Vega, it automatically puts in the middle of the visualization, not in the middle of the chart. So I've learned this trick, which will allow us like to have the labels always in the middle of the chart, not in the middle of the entire visualization. So that's already pushed into production, into dev. One thing I'll push later today is the following. You see the price levels are in ranges. And when I get the JSON file, I usually get the price levels as a sentence. It will say something like, the product costs like $5 per month, or the subscriptions costs like, I don't know, $5 per user, right? So what I will do, I'll take that sentence, take out the old price and replace it with our new updated range. So our prices will look more explanatory and nicer. So it will be updated later today, and we can already see the changes there. That's on my side. I have no blockers currently, so I'm gonna push my changes and wait for Subodh for further instructions.
Tativik, those graphs look so good. So good. Those curves are so beautiful. The error bars are wonderful. Like, it's really, really, really nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll popcorn it to Hadi.
Hello everyone. Good to see you all again in this new day. Well, I was helping Mahdi with the release. There was some issue while merging. Fix that, and currently I'm writing unit test for the UI. It helps the developer to write clean code. Uh, yeah. For the blockers. I have a blocker with the website. Today I was working on this to optimize website. It's taking more time, I think. So it's a blocker for me. Yeah, that's my update.
Do we
Thank you.
do we is there anything we can do to fix that blocker for the UI? I just pinged one of the new folks to remind them of this morning.
Yeah, if there is someone that can help me, know better optimization techniques, that would be nice.
Yeah, Harris is interested in that, specifically on the website, not necessarily on the application. Maybe the two of you can connect and do some sort of like knowledge transfer onboarding. Maybe he'll have some ideas.
Okay.
Sorry?
What was the name of that person you said?
Harris Fayez.
Harris. Okay.
I will remind him of the stand-up schedule.
Okay.
I believe he's on West Coast, but he should make it. But yeah, he's really interested in helping with the website. That was the person that Mahdi was onboarding on Tuesday. Oh, success! Harris, good morning. We are. Hey. No, just kidding. Harris, we're doing our first live streaming stand-up. Just as a heads up, there's probably a nice little preamble. But we're all going through kind of what we've achieved over the last couple of days, what we need from the team, and if there are any blockers. And Hadi was saying that he's running into some blockers with the performance of the UI, and I suggested that he reach out to you. If you're talking, we can't hear you.
Hello?
There he is. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Did you hear that, or did you just now connect your audio?
I just connected my audio.
Sorry. Okay, welcome. Yeah, just as a heads up, we're streaming. We're live streaming this. We're gonna try to start live streaming our stand-ups. Talk about your blockers. Hadi was mentioning the blockers. One blocker he's having is the performance of the UI, and so I suggested he reach out to you, and it seems to be a shared area of interest.
Okay.
So do you have any blockers, Harris?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I don't have.
It's a great attitude. I will, not yet. Beautiful.
Avi, I do have like not necessarily a blocker, but I did want to get an update on connecting with whoever is the owner of Fern. We still need to make a decision as to where we're going to house all of the onboarding content.
Totally. Yeah, I'll put you in touch with the CEO. I'll put you in touch with the CEO. He's in our Discord. I've pinged him a couple of times, but I don't know.
Yeah.
He might be at one of the tech weeks or something. I don't know. I will follow up with him.
Okay.
On the back of that, actually, we just yesterday got notice that one of the largest consulting companies in the world has agreed to start a joint business relationship with us. This is kind of a huge deal. We just got the contract yesterday. This is the type of firm that buys like hundreds of thousands of licenses from other folks. We've been working on this for probably 5 months in the background. So thank you, Connor. Thank you, Pablo. Thank you, Sarah. This is another really, really big kind of opportunity for us, and vote of confidence. And like, I'm just, we wouldn't have even a chance of a startup of our size, of our maturity, getting a JBR with a firm like this without the effort of everyone here. So we should all be very, very, very proud of ourselves. And we'll need that Fern documentation. By the way, something I noticed, I love the way we decided to popcorn, but then every single person went in order.
The timing was off on the celebration thing I just did.
Guys, any demos? Or updates or anything else that they want to share? This is a very well-run stand-up. Very efficient.
Nice work.
All right, record timing. Go ahead, Avi.
I was gonna say, do we want to do a demo of? I was gonna say, dev or test, but Tatavik's new graphs was a nice demo. Actually, I should ask Tatavik, are we gonna be able to get those graphs into the showcase module in the UI?
Don't we?
I don't know. I think it might be a different. Yeah, if you go to the human baseline.
Oh, into human baseline.
Yeah, but the human baselines don't work in dev. Oh, just kidding. Oh, that's nice.
But is this updated or is this the old one?
I believe it's the old one because it doesn't have the attribute levels grouped by attribute.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it's the old experiments as well. Alp has like almost 100 experiments at this point run.
Once we update the calculations, like the same data that I give for the experiments in order to build feature level importance, almost the same data we have to have for the human baseline. So I think we are all set on that term. So there is no problem with not having enough data to build the graphs. So once we update that, maybe we can rebuild the visualizations as well.
Beautiful. and so then we can start. Okay, and then we'd be able to start publishing the human baselines. I guess that would be a great pipeline where we could just keep adding to that. Amazing, nice work, Tatavik.
An ask for everyone is just a friendly reminder. I think everyone's already aware, but this version 2 of the platform that is more stable, more robust, more accurate is currently in a test environment. Please, everyone, go to the test environment and try to break it. That's the whole point of the test environment. We need to make sure that it's super stable. We really need to. There are some big companies in the pipeline, and we need to make sure, especially during this phase, that everything is buttoned up and ready to go. Period. And it's a team effort. So I'm doing their best. Any bug, anything you find, please put it on the channel titled Panic Button. And our dev team has been really responsive and engaging in making sure that we make those updates. But it's our responsibility to make sure that we empower them with good input and feedback. Okay? And it's fun. Cool seeing all these like new features and stuff. We're going to be using the test environment to do the snapshots for our onboarding, really gearing up for this version 2 of the platform. So really exciting.
All right, guys, nice work. Nice stand up. Nice first live stream. Let's see if it worked. Happy Wednesday. I'll see you guys in the channels. Welcome, Harris. See you guys soon.